Hey everyone, it's Plank89 here, and I'm back out here at the County Road V rail crossing near Hillrose, Colorado. As you can see, the upgrade is complete. Here at the first new signal. It has a Siemens base. We have a Siemens gate mechanism. Right there, the emergency information, dot number 057566H. The lights here, we have 3 pairs of safe share and 12 by 24 inch lights with dial ball LEDs. As you can see. Just look at the back of the lights. Up there we have a Gerald Signals electronic bill. And then we have Rico gate lights, likely LEDs. Here's the back view of the signal. There's track view facing towards Denver, Brush, and Fort Morgan. Well, technically Brush, Fort Morgan, then Denver. And here we have track view looking east towards Sterling. Here's the back view of the second signal. Overview looking north, I think. Yeah, north. The signal has a Siemens base, Siemens gate mechanism. There's the emergency information. Lights here, we have 2 pairs of safe turn 12 by 24 inch lights with dial ball LEDs. As you can see. Look at the back of the lights. We have another Gerald Signals electronic bell, likely type 3, and the gate lights are also Rico. So yeah, just a quick update. There's the relay case over there, which is now on. Well, it was kind of on last time, but now it's fully hooked up, obviously. Yeah, just a quick update here at the County Road V rail crossing near Hillrose, Colorado. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.